what's up you guys? So anyone who's new to my channel, my name is Johnna, and today I am just going to be doing kind of like an unboxing type of thing. I bought a bunch of makeup off of BH Cosmetics and Ulta on Cyber Monday because they had extremely good deals. I got a bunch of stuff for under $100, so yeah, I'm really excited about that. I'm also going to show you guys a couple things that I picked up over the past couple of days that aren't from Ulta or BH Cosmetics, but I just thought I'd share them with you because they're new products. So I'm going to start off with everything that I got at BH Cosmetics. I've never actually ordered anything from them before, but I know they always have like really good sales and stuff, and they had some awesome sales on Cyber Monday, so I was like, I have got to pick some stuff up. So the first thing that I'm really excited about is the Studio Pro 18-piece brush set, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, you get 18 brushes in this thing, and so this was on sale for $19.95 when I bought it, and that's pretty awesome because you get 18 brushes, and I was like, yes, I'm getting this. It comes with a bunch of face brushes and a bunch of eye brushes, and I really needed some of both, so that's why I decided to get this one, and it's just so amazing that it was only $19.95. Now, when it's not on sale, it's $32.99. I'm really excited to try it out. I have actually used two of the brushes actually so far. They don't have names, they're just numbered. This is the 3 brush, and I've been using it for like setting my powder the past few times I've done my makeup, and I like it a lot for setting my powder. And then the other one, this is the 16 brush, and I use this just to do like my eyebrows, like to clean up my eyebrows. This is like a concealer brush, and it worked pretty well, so that was good. So yeah, I'm excited to try out the rest of them. I'm especially excited for all the eye brushes. There's like a bunch of blending brushes, and I don't have like any. I have like 2 blending brushes, and I just wanted more because the ones I have aren't even that great. So I'm excited to try this out. The next thing that I got was the BH Liquid Foundation Naturally Flawless. So it comes in a package like this, and I got the shade 205 Fair Golden. I like this packaging. I like love frosted packaging. I don't know why, but I do. It looks very pretty. So I did try this out the other night. I don't know why I got 205. I guess I was thinking that I was a little darker, but it's December, so I'm getting very pale. And this shade was kind of too orangey for me. So I can't really tell if I like it or not. But I did notice that I broke out from it a little bit right here, and that was really annoying. I don't know. I'm gonna try it again. So I bought that for $5.45, and the original price of it is $8.99. So either way, it's really a cheap foundation. BH Cosmetics isn't expensive. So yeah, but it was awesome that I got it for like basically $5. So the next thing that I'm gonna talk about, this one is so exciting. This is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Honestly, I was shocked when I got it. I thought the packaging would be cheaper feeling. It's not like cheap cardboard, I guess. It's like hard, you know? Whoa, someone flying at me. Yeah, this comes with 35 colors in it, and I bought this for $12.99. This palette is not expensive at all, normally anyway. So originally this palette costs $16.99. The next thing I got just for fun, it's called Glitter Collection, and I got it in the shade Mermaid, which is extremely pretty. I'm really excited to try this out. I'm gonna do something fun with that. So that was only $3.50 when I bought it. So the normal price is $5.99, which obviously also is not bad at all. So yeah, it's a pretty cheap glitter, but I'm really excited to use this because this is an extremely pretty color. The next thing that I got, I had to spend like a couple more dollars to get free shipping, so I just bought an eyeliner pencil, and it's called BH Liquid Eyeliner. The only liquid eyeliner I ever use is the Maybelline Master Precise one, and I thought, you know what, I need to get out of my comfort zone and start using a different kind of liner, because, like, I don't know, I just feel like I need to start using different products sometime. This looks very similar to the Master Precise one. That was only $149. Normally it's $4.99, so it's not bad, but I mean, I got it for $149. The next thing I got at BH Cosmetics was the Illuminate by Ashley Tisdale Illuminating Shimmer. And this is the packaging, which is really cute. It's really pretty. This is in the color Shimmering Sand. I did try this out the other night, and I did actually really like it. I thought it was very pretty on me. I was kind of scared at first because I didn't realize how like gold it was, and I thought it was gonna be like really dark on me, but it actually looked very pretty. And so that's just another good highlighter I can add to my collection. That highlighter I got for $2.25, but the original price of it is $7.50. The next thing I'm going to talk about is everything that I got from Ulta. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is some lipstick that I got. I was so excited when I saw these were on sale. These are the Lime Crime Velvetine lipsticks, and let's just talk about how cute the packaging is. And then, you know what I said about that frosted packaging earlier? Yeah, I love it. I think these are so cute. I love the little roses and the font. So these were on sale for $10, so I was like, oh my god, I'm getting them. They're usually $20, and I can just not get myself to buy a lipstick for $20. I picked up the shades Cupid and True Love, and I'm really excited to try these out because I always see people using them on Instagram and stuff, so that's why I got them, because they always look so good on people's lips. The next thing that I bought was the Total Control Drop Foundation by NYX. I got it for $8.39, but it retails for $13.99. I'm kind of sad because my friend told me good things about this, but then I watched someone do like a first impression on this on YouTube, and they said that it's so hard to get full coverage, and I like full coverage. Like, there's barely ever a time that I'm not gonna want full coverage on my face. Like, unless my skin is looking real nice, I'm gonna want full coverage. The box claims that 4 drops gives you full coverage, but in the video I watched, she had to use like half the bottle just to get full coverage. And I'm glad I got it for only $8.39, because if this is disappointing, I won't be as sad about it. The next thing I got, I'm not really excited about it or anything. I just picked it up because it's cheap. It's just the LA Girl matte flat velvet lipstick, and it was $3.99, so I was like, I'll pick it up. It's a cute pink shade. The next thing I got, which I'm excited about, it's called the hashtag Glitter Goals Kit, which is adorable, and they're like, it comes in a little stack, and this is like it's $15 originally, and I got it for $9, so that was pretty awesome. And it comes with the glitter glue. The next thing I got was another recommendation by Libby, and it was on sale, I think. No, it wasn't. It wasn't on sale. It's just cheap in general. This was $5.99, and that's how much it always is. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I have the Photo Focus Primer, which I like, so hopefully I like this foundation. Livy says she likes it a lot. Y'all know who Livy is. She was in my first video. And I got it in the shade Shell Ivory. I don't know if it's going to be too light for me, but I'm hoping it will be my shade. The next things I got, which I'm excited about, are the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliners. I got one in the shade Vivid Petal, which is a really pretty pink, and then I got another one in Vivid Violet, which is a pretty purple color. I'm excited to use these with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette to do some colorful looks. That'll be so much fun. So these retail for $6.99, but I got them for $4.19. So that's all I got from Ulta and BH Cosmetics. but there are a few more things that I picked up in the past couple days that I'm going to talk about. A lot of people talk about this on YouTube and Instagram, everything, whatever, is the Maybelline Insta Age Rewind, and I am loving this. I've only used it twice, but it does really cover up my dark circles really well. On the Maybelline website, it says it costs $9.99, but I don't think I paid that much for it at Target, but I might be wrong. I don't know. The next thing I bought was the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Heroin, and it's a really pretty like orangey red. I tried that out the other night, and I don't know if it was just because my lips were extremely dry or if it was the formula that made my lips really dry. I'm hoping it's not, because I love that color. It did have a weird smell and it was a little sticky. I don't know if that was because I just didn't wait long enough for it to dry before I took it off my lips, or if the formula is just sticky and nasty. But I'm hoping it's not, because I really like that color. Okay, so it's only $6.49 at Target, which isn't bad. The next thing I got is another Maybelline. Oh my god, everything I'm telling you guys about is Maybelline. That's so funny. I didn't even realize that. So the next thing I got was the Maybelline Dream BB Pure 8-in-1 Beauty Balm Skin Clearing Perfector. And I got this in the shade 110. It says that it clears acne, conceals imperfections, minimizes look of pores, reduces appearance of redness, adjusts the skin tone, hydrates and smooths, mattifies and clarifies, and there's 0% oils, and it has a lightweight feel. I used this last night because I'm going to Florida tomorrow, and I do not want to wear makeup as much as I possibly can, so I'm trying to stay away from any like face makeup that will make me break out. And I didn't even read the back of it. My friend, again, Livy, works at Target, and she was telling me that I should get this. So I was like, yeah, you know what, I will. And I wore it last night, and I did actually notice that my skin like it didn't break out or anything this morning. And actually my forehead looks better today than it did yesterday. And I don't know if it has anything to do with this, but it says it clears acne. So this is $7.49, which isn't bad really. At least I don't think it is. And then the next two things I got were mascaras. I'm gonna tell you right now, this one, the Rocket Volume Express, I did not like. My lashes these are eyelash extensions, by the way. These are not my natural eyelashes. My natural lashes are straight, and it's like a chore getting them to curl, and I always wear fake eyelashes. Like, I barely ever put mascara on. I just want to wear like natural things sometimes more often, because I feel like I'm always just so extra, and every time I go out I like put on false lashes and like crazy makeup, and I just don't want to do that. Like, I do, but like sometimes I just want to tone it down. So I wanted to find a mascara that would make my eyelashes not look like crap, basically. So I tried this one out because I watched a few videos on YouTube saying that it was good for straight lashes, and it's not. And it clumped my lashes together, and it just didn't look good at all for me. So that kind of sucked. But another Livy recommended thing was the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and girl, she was right again. She has been using this for years, and I've always been like, oh no, that's not gonna work on me, like my lashes suck. But I put it on the other night because I was just going over to her house. I wanted to wear makeup but didn't want to put fake eyelashes on, so I put this on my lashes, and it looked actually pretty good. It didn't clump together, and my eyelashes didn't look terrible for once. So I'm excited to keep using this for when I want to do a more natural looking eye and stuff. So yeah, this was a good purchase, and thank you, Livy, for giving me all these suggestions. So that's everything that I bought. That's really the end of this video. So if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later.